During Hurricane Milton, animals played an extraordinary role in both survival and recovery efforts. From dogs trained in search and rescue, helping to locate people trapped in debris, to dolphins guiding boats through treacherous waters, animals demonstrated an incredible bond with humans in the face of disaster. Birds, with their keen sense of weather changes, were seen fleeing the area well before the storm hit, acting as nature's early warning system. Even pets like cats and dogs showed bravery by comforting their owners through the chaos, keeping spirits high during one of the toughest times. These stories remind us just how much animals impact our lives, even in the worst of situations. If you're as amazed by this as I am, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more heartwarming and eye-opening stories